The holidays bring magic, warmth, and togetherness, but they can also bring stress, especially when time and money are tight. But here's the good news. Creating a cozy holiday home doesn't need to be expensive or time-consuming. With a few clever hacks, things you already have at home, and a sprinkle of creativity, any space can feel festive and inviting. Today, I'm sharing my favorite cozy holiday home hacks, straight from one busy mom to another. 1. Start with a warm glow. Before, harsh, bright lighting. After, a soft, golden glow that makes the room feel warm and magical. Swap bright bulbs for warm-toned ones, or use string lights to add gentle sparkle. Place candles, real or battery-operated, inside mason jars or glass bowls for a flickering, cozy effect. Even a few tea lights on a shelf can change the mood instantly. 2. Use what's already at home. Holiday decor doesn't have to be store-bought. Gather pine cones, branches, or dried oranges for natural, rustic touches. Arrange them in bowls or vases. Wrap old picture frames with leftover ribbon to look like mini presents. Tuck sprigs of greenery into mirrors or shelves for an effortless, festive feel. 3. Cozy up with textures. Pull out blankets, scarves, or even an old sweater and drape them as throws. Mix textures, knit, fleece, faux fur, flannel, to create depth and warmth. Add a few pillow covers in holiday colors like deep red, forest green, or cream. It instantly makes the whole room feel welcoming. 4. DIY holiday scents. Create the holiday smell without buying expensive candles. Simmer a pot of water with orange peels, cinnamon sticks, and cloves. Or make tiny DIY sachets with dried herbs using coffee filters. And of course, baked cookies or hot cocoa make the whole house smell like comfort. 5. Focus on one statement area. Instead of decorating everything, choose one focal point, your mantle, entryway, or dining table, and make that space shine. Add garland, candles, lights, or family photos. Keeping the rest of the room simple makes the statement area stand out beautifully. 6. Involve the family. Turn decorating into a fun tradition instead of a chore. Let the kids make paper snowflakes, salt dough ornaments, or painted pine cones. Play holiday music, sip hot cocoa, and enjoy the moment. These are the memories that matter most. Conclusion. Creating a cozy holiday home is about warmth, creativity, and love, not perfection or expensive decor. With a few simple touches, even the busiest mom can transform her home into a joyful, festive haven. Remember, the best holiday decor is made of love, not expense.